Guys, it's Lisa. The internet has been a little upset about quite a few things this holiday season, but one of them is this mom who posted the picture of her Christmas tree with all those presents. It was 3/4 high with presents for her kids. And on the one hand, she came out and said, you know what, it's my money, they're my kids, I'll do what I want to do. And you sort of think, yeah, you know what, you're right. If you make that much money, by all means, go ahead. On the other hand, though, you sort of wonder if the kids would appreciate that many things. I know I'm not saying what I do is right or wrong. I'm just saying the rule in our house is everybody was allowed to ask Santa for 2 things, and we really encourage them to ask Santa for an outside toy, skates, skis, hockey net, something like that, and then one other toy that they could play with. And for relatives, we give them other ideas. And maybe that's what she did too. It looked like an awful lot of stuff under the Christmas tree, but I came across this other blog sort of along the same lines of what I'm saying, that you know, you remember those Christmases when you were a kid and you get that one really special gift and that's what you want to spend all your time playing with anyway. So I wonder if a kid could even appreciate all of those things. Let me know what you think in the comments and read that other blog from Yummy Mummies Club too. I'm curious to see what you think.